Hi guys, hi, welcome back to my channel again. So as you can see here guys, today I have a very boring meal, and it's just very simple because I have a very bad cough right now. So I don't know, it's probably the weather or I just don't know. So I didn't I'm sorry guys. So I don't know, I think it's very hot weather right now in KL, in Malaysia even. Some parts are like in heavy rain, but we're in a part where I live, and also even in JB, it's very hot. It's like desert hot or something. Macam kemarau. It's like how do we call that? Kemarau? I don't know, I forget that word. Very hot weather. Right now I'm in my parents' house because I came back with my parents from JB. They came down to our apartment just for the weekend. So guys, I actually cooked ikan sardine masak lada, and it was sort of oily, so I don't think I can take that. Plus I think I've also been taking too much fried food and everything, so it worsens my cough. So I'm just thinking, oh god, I can't eat any more fried food for the time being, probably. It sucks. I'm not sick, to tell you the truth. I don't really get fevers that often. I think the last time I got fever was probably 2 years ago. I don't get fevers, but I get really bad coughs. So anyway, I just I don't want to talk much anymore. Let's just move on. So I'm sorry if you guys feel like, oh, what the heck am I eating? As you can see, this is a big bowl, you guys. So this is just basically pasta soup pasta. I just put in some spiral pasta. I have 2 eggs here. I boiled along in the soup as well, and I have some onions. I just put pepper and some chicken flavor powder. So it looks more like a stew now because it's all dried up. So guys, I'm just gonna eat. It's just, this is like prison food, but I just want something hot and soupy. I was thinking of eating like Maggi, soup Maggi, tapi no, I just saw this pasta and I thought, oh, why not pasta soup? I just want something soupy, but actually it's all out of soup already, because the pasta already absorbed the whole soup. But at least it tastes peppery because I put some pepper in it. I really wanted to eat what I cooked today, ikan lada, but it was really spicy and oily, so I didn't feel like eating rice. There's not much soup. It's like a stew already. So I know you guys want me to eat rice, but I'm sorry guys, I haven't been able to make a mukbang on rice yet. This is actually garlic, this piece. It's garlic. Mm. Mm. It looks really bland, doesn't it? I'm eating on a chair. This kind of pasta would be great with mac and cheese. I've been using this kind of pasta for mac and cheese because it's quite rare. It's quite hard to find that macaroni, that small one. They usually sell the macaronis with that lines on it. I don't know. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. I have a lighting here, LED light, because it's really dark. If you want to see how dark it is. There, it's dark. Or is it bright? I don't know. Maybe I should. Never mind. I'm having this egg. Mmm. So how are you guys doing? I told you about the weather already, right? The weather is really crazy in Malaysia right now. Probably even everywhere. Just a few weeks back, it was like raining really heavily. It was quite. The weather was nice. Now it's like scorching hot, like a drought season. Is that what you call it? Drought season. Drought. Drought. This is not spicy at all. I have here just water. Can you see? I'm trying not to drink cold water for the time being. Especially ice. I think I drank a lot of ice today, 2 days ago. And then we were eating KFC. oily fried chicken and everything. So my cough was getting okay, but then after I ate, I drank a lot of ice, water, and sugary drinks. So I guess it worsens my cough. I was thinking of making porridge just now, but that'll take too long. I'm almost done. I feel like having a Subway veggie delight, because I feel like I haven't been eating too much. I haven't been eating much veggies. But it's quite pricey. I'll make a mukbang, I think, on it. I think I will. Perhaps, do we have Subway at... Oh yeah, we have Subway at the bus station when I come back. Oh, I have my last egg. My last egg. Pasta's finished, guys. I think it's like a noodle. Pasta is a form of noodle, huh? I love eggs. Ooh, look at that yellow egg. I also love hard boiled, half boiled, everything. But of course not raw egg. That's good. That's so good. The egg. The pasta, not so much. As you can see, it's kind of some biscuit. Okay guys, that's all. I'm sorry if it's boring. The dish is not interesting, but I can't help it. I just cannot have that. I know this is probably not even worthy of a mukbang, but I don't know. Whatever. This weird bad cough. It's like, ugh. It's all finished, guys. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. I don't know what I'll be eating next, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, guys. Terima kasih. Jumpa lagi. Bye.